Hello fellow streamers and welcome back to another episode of OBS Bitesize. Today we'll be looking at adding our Twitch alerts using StreamElements. So as you can see, I'm loaded into my StreamElements back office, and the first thing we're going to do is scroll down to my overlays. And we're going to create a blank overlay. And I'm going to use my base OBS canvas resolution, which is 1080p, and I'm just going to hit start. Obviously, if you're not using that and using 720 or something, then you can come in here and select that. But we're going to leave it as 1080p, and we're going to press start. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add widget. We're going to go into alerts. We're going to go to alert box, select. And what you're going to get straight away is follower alert, subscriber alert, tip alert, which is a donation, cheer alert, host alert, raid alert, and purchase alert. Purchase alert is for StreamElements merch, which you can use and create your own merch for your channel. So if somebody purchases that while you're live, an alert will pop within your stream to display that they've purchased it, and you can then give a public thank you, I'm assuming. So for the purpose of demonstration, obviously you can move this alert around your screen and wherever you want it to be. But what I'm going to do is position and style, and I'm just going to center it. So it just pops in the center. Straight after that, I'm going to go back into the settings, just leave that open, and I'm going to hit follower alert just to give it a, follower event, just to give it a test to make sure it's working. And Sib is now following the channel. Now, these are the StreamElements default alerts, so they come free with StreamElements for you to use. If you've got custom ones, basically you go into the cogs here and you go to set image or change video, upload your own custom alert here, and it replace the one that's there by just selecting it. But we're going to close that and go back here. Obviously, if you untick these, they will not display. If you tick them, they will display. We're just going to do one more. We're going to do a quick subscriber. There you go. Dory just subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much, Dory. Welcome to the crew, as I would say. Okay, so we know that all works now. So what we're going to do is simply rename our overlay. Actually, what we'll do is we won't do it that way. We're going to hit save. We're going to name this Stream E, just for the purpose of the video. Hit save, and then we're going to go to this little paperclip here, because we're going to copy the overlay URL, because we're going to need that for OBS. We've now got OBS open just on our basic scene. Remember, this is for whatever scene you want to add your alerts to when you're live. This is what you're going to need to do. So we're going to just go to scene, and we've got our display capture turned off at the moment because it's just displaying this monitor with this OBS, and it can be a little confusing, for example, when it's doing this. So we're just going to turn that off. What we're going to do is we're going to add a browser source, and we're going to call this Stream E for the purpose of the video. Press OK. We are going to change our resolution to our canvas resolution here, and we are also going to delete this URL, and we're going to Control V or right click paste the URL we copied to our clipboard from StreamElements. We're going to press OK, and our browser source is now within OBS. What we're going to do is we're going to give it another quick test. We're going to open up this. I'm going to make this window smaller. There we go, just so we can do it. And we're going to do another emulation of a follower event. And there we go. Dulcie is now following. So that's now displaying in OBS. That's working fine. We'll do a subscriber event as well, just for Bants. Hopefully that works as well. There we go. Lovely. So that's working now. So those alerts will display on your stream when you're live. I hope you guys have found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. The banana.
We gave him the banana.
Bananas and cherries.
The data nana.
Like cherries, they're more like watermelon.
Hold on, I gotta get it out. No, you can't do it. It's too close. No. Hold on. There. Katana. No.